Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an ebook for your business, your brand, or for any type of course you want to develop an ebook for. Creating an ebook in Canva is really easy. And the best part is, you can easily modify professional pre-made templates. You don't need much experience in design or creativity to use Canva. So create an account in Canva if you haven't already. After creating your account, this is the interface you'll see. Simply search for eBook in the search bar. There are many ebook templates, ranging from minimal to professional. Just explore to find the style you want to create or customize. Scroll down to explore more options. Some templates are paid, but there are also free options. You will find hundreds of choices. For now, I'll go with this one since it looks great, so I'll select it. Just select the template you like and go to the Customize this template option. After clicking on it, you'll have full access to modify whatever you want. Now I'm able to edit anything I want. If I want to change or reposition an image, I can do that. And if I want to change the text, then I can just add anything I like. Yes, I can simply modify whatever I want and customize it as you like. You can choose whichever color you want to add, like this color, and just enhance your design to make it look more professional and polished. This way, your viewers will be attracted to your ebook. After that, once your design looks good and you're satisfied with your visually appealing ebook, you'll need to export it. To export, you need to go here and select the Download option. And here you can choose the file type. Just download it in whichever file format you want, like JPG, PNG, or PDF. If you want to print it out, use PDF. Go with PDF, and then just download it. And there you go. You saw how easy it is to customize the pre-made templates in Canva. In a similar way, you can create your own ebook, as well as other graphic designs, and do video editing too. So, enjoy creating graphics in Canva. It's a great alternative for making your own graphic designs. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy!